Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access System and Update. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, select Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!